Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the activities section on your account on Uber easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application. Now as you see here, go to your account down below here. Now go to the activity. As you see here, you can manage your activity section here, the category, filter it by category, your orders, the business, the family, the services. That's it. That's how to manage or how to find the activity section on your account on Uber easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.